How to fix Xbox Game Pass not working. To fix Xbox Game Pass not working, you first of all have to verify your Microsoft account subscriptions to ensure membership is active. So go ahead and then check the Xbox status page for outages. If services are normal, sign out of your account and log back in, or simply restart your console or PC. Or what you can also do is, if you are on Xbox console, you can clear the alternate MAC address. Simply go to your profile and system, then head to settings, then go to general and then network settings, head to advanced settings from there, and alternate MAC address option will be available. Simply select the clear and restart the console. Turn off your console completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug it from the wall for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This should solve your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.